Welcome to the video by Spexin. Zoology Mille and Harley MCQs Chapter 12 Annelida, the Metameric body form. Let's start. The segmental arrangement of body parts in an animal is called tagmatization, metamerism, cephalization, serialism. Correct answer: metamerism. The specialization of body regions in a segmented animal is called tagmatization, metamerism, cephalization. Utley. Correct answer: tagmatization. Annelids and arthropods have been traditionally considered to be closely related. Recent re-evaluation of these relationships places annelids in the Lophotrochozoa. If this is true, they would be more closely related to the chordata, echinodermata, nematoda, mollusca. Correct answer: mollusca. Which group of animals do annelids not share common ancestry with? Mollusca, Bryozoa, echinodermata, nemertea. Correct answer: echinodermata. The annelid class whose members are mostly marine is Hirudinea, Aligakita, Polychaeta, Clitolata. Correct answer: Polychaeta. A distinctive feature of members of the subclass Hirudinea is parapodia, tentacles, anterior and posterior suckers, palps. Correct answer: anterior and posterior suckers. Earthworms belong to the annelid subclass Hirudinea, Chaetognatha, Polychaeta, Aligakita. Correct answer: Aligakita. The Clitolata are believed to have evolved from a group of polychaetes that lived at extreme depths in the ocean, invaded freshwater habitats, were able to live in both terrestrial and aquatic environments, had a symbiotic relationship with fungi. Correct answer: invaded freshwater habitats. A distinctive feature of members of the class Polychaeta is parapodia, clitellum, annuli, absence of setae. Correct answer: parapodia. Recent morphological and molecular evidence has led to this group of worms being included within the phylum Annelida. Echiurans, nemerteans, gastrotrix, rotifers. Correct answer: echiurans. The girdle-like structure that is used for mucus secretion during copulation and cocoon formation is the clitellum, prostomium, parapodium, epitoke. Correct answer: clitellum. A clitellum is present in the members of the subclasses Hirudinea, Polychaeta, Aligakita, Hirudinea and Aligakita. Correct answer: Hirudinea and Aligakita. Oligochaetes are monoecious, dioecious, monoecious or dioecious, asexual. Correct answer: monoecious. Most polychaetes are monoecious, dioecious, protandric, asexual. Correct answer: dioecious. An excretory structure consisting of an open, ciliated funnel and a tubule that opens through the body wall is called a protonephridium, nephrostome, metanephridium, nephridiopore. Correct answer: metanephridium. The main propulsive structures in the circulatory system of an earthworm are hearts, dorsal and ventral blood vessels, seminal vesicles, the typhlosole. Correct answer: dorsal and ventral blood vessels. The dash is a site of amino acid metabolism in an earthworm and is analogous to the vertebrate liver. Typhlosole, seminal vesicle, nephridium, chlorogogen tissue. Correct answer: chlorogogen tissue. No free-living larval forms occur in the annelid class or subclasses Hirudinea, Hirudinea and Aligakita, Polychaeta, Polychaeta and Aligakita. Correct answer: Hirudinea and Aligakita.
Visit our website spexin.com to take the quiz of the chapter and for more details, unlocking a world of knowledge and discovery at your fingertips. Spexin, your premier e-learning platform. Join the Spexin community by subscribing to our YouTube channel for exciting videos and regular updates. Don't miss out, the link is right there in the description below. See you soon with another captivating video. Until then, stay tuned.